What's going on, guys? 4 and 3 Bows back for another video. Tyler, what are we doing?
Well, I think we're gonna make her.
What? No. What did we just do?
Oh, we sent her way too hard. Let's put it this way: I bounced off a rock, and he lost the front tire.
Yeah, we lost the wheel. This whole wheel. Yep, right here. We were sending her, doing her for Dale, on our newfound racetrack, and the old castle nut came right off. This was loose. So I've been meaning to drill this out and put a cotter pin in here, and we're definitely going to do that now because
we did lose the wheel.
We did lose the wheel, and somehow he found the cotter pin or the castle nut.
Yeah, it happened to just be sitting in the trail, 100 yards back.
Yeah. Today we're going to be doing lights. We're going to be doing lights on this thing today. So that's the video for today. Alright guys, so we already put one on. We just loosened this bolt here and put it up here. We just got to probably aim them once we get them lit. Probably have to aim them, and so what we're gonna do.
We're also gonna be taking these off and moving these.
Them up.
What do you say, right here?
Yeah. These travelers. We'll let my brother leave on his bike. Burn out! Come on! There's 30 miles an hour. Love you, bro. So anyways, my buddy Jordan gave me these Tractor Supply 1200 lumen flush mount off-road lights. So the brackets, you can take the brackets off.
Tractor Supply?
Yep.
Oh,
You can take the brackets off, these here, and not run them flush mount, which obviously we're not running them flush mount. So we're putting those on down below, and we're going to take the round ones there and put them up there, and that'll be more than enough light.
Okay, so Justin's really good at wiring, so I'm gonna let him do the work, and I'm gonna record.
Just gonna ditch these plugs.
So we've got two sets of plugs. One's gonna go to the lights up top, and just both of them connect into one. The other one's gonna go down here. So
yep.
They are not super long, so we may need to add some wiring to them. But
yeah, but this came with what I already have, so has a relay on it.
Yeah.
Why the hell not use it? Just makes sense. This is just down and dirty. Just to see it light up.
Okay, switch. Boom. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so it's roughly what, like 8:30 at night?
Yeah, it's like 9.
And hey, well, it's pitch black out now, so
We got the
since we have it in light, well, it's not light out here at all. Damn, dude. No, step back.
I'm gonna.
Dude, you're looking.
I know. I know.
I know you're doing it for the video, but Yeah, that's bright.
It's tough to see in the video, it really is. The lights are done. I'm not sure how it's gonna look on camera, but they're insanely bright. So, alright guys.
Alright.
That's a wrap for this one.